Hello guys, this is our first video in this Altium tutorial series. In this video we're going to see the option that we have in Altium to create a project. So let's start. So if you go to File, New, Project, we can see here that we have three options to create this project. Altium 365 is the cloud version control, and there is a version control which is SVN. For those who don't know what SVN is one of many version control options available today. It's like, we can say it's like Git. And the final option is to create this project locally. So in this first video, we're going to create our project locally because we don't know at this point how to create a repository for us to control and track our project. So we'll go to local, and then you may have a different template here, but you can use an empty template. That means that you will have a project with no other files that have been set already. So we choose PCB, and then we choose a name for our project. And let's say we're going to name this project Arduino Nano. And we set the folder where we want the project to be in, and we click on create. So now we have a project with no files inside. So the four principal files that we need in an Altium project is the schematic PCB, schematic library, and PCB library. So we will have to create these four files, and then we will end the video, and in the next video we will see how to create a repository so we can manage and track our project, and see we can commit and do all the things that we can do in Git if you are familiar with Git. So let's create the schematic. Looks like that. We can change it if we want, but at this point we're not gonna do anything. We will add the PCB library, and then we'll add the PCB and then PCB library. So this is the PCB library. Go back to project, because here we have a different window that we can access. So we go to project, and we create the last file, which is the schematic library. After that, we're going to save this project, so we can save every file, give it a name, Arduino PCB, since this is the PCB file. Then this is the PCB library, so you can name it Arduino PCB library, and the next one is the schematic library. So name it Arduino schematic library. Last one is the schematic document. So I'm going to name it Arduino shit. Perfect. So we have all our files now, and we're gonna finish the video, and in the next video, as I said, we're going to talk I'm going to explain how to create a repository and why it is used for again. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. It's really gonna help me with the YouTube algorithm. So yeah, see you in the next video.